Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Sign up with a Google account and create a new project called My App. In the project dashboard, click Create New App and choose a name and icon. The project files will sync to the cloud automatically. Choose phone or tablet layout and set orientation to portrait or landscape so your UI matches device behavior. Use one home screen, one settings screen, and one about screen as a basic structure, since 3 screens keep navigation simple while teaching components, wiring, and publishing workflows. Drag components from the Design tab and snap them into place with precise padding and margins. Dragging is pixel precise. You can set width to 100% for full width elements and set height to 50 pixels for compact rows that align consistently across devices. Add button, label, image, and list viewer components to the home screen for core functionality, and give each a clear ID like BTN login or LBL title for blocks referencing. Use style properties. Font size 16, build logic with blocks using event-driven procedures, variables, and lists, connecting a button. Click event to a procedure that validates input and navigates screens. Test live on your device with the Thunkable Live app and refresh changes in 30 seconds. Hot Reload shows UI and logic updates immediately. After debugging, export an Android APK or publish to the App Store with the produced build files and follow platform guidelines. Package name, icons, privacy policy, and required screenshots for listing. Iterate based on user feedback and release updates regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.